Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ben. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe. I do a ton of tech videos and car reviews. Here with me today is a brand new 2019 S63 AMG Coupe, and this is a brand new Mercedes Benz S63 Coupe, and this is the most expensive car on this lot, and today I'm gonna review it. So that's the key on this 2019 S63 Coupe. The MSRP on this car is about 192,000. So check out the engine on this 2019 S63 Coupe. So the output on this engine is 603 horsepower with 664 pound-feet of torque. Some of the key features on this AMG S63 Coupe is that it's about 198 inches in length and about 56 inches high. And it's a 4-passenger 2-door coupe with the handcrafted 4-liter AMG V8 biturbo engine that has a power output of 603 horsepower and does 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds.
Taillights are OLED,
Okay. Oh,
organic
wow.
LEDs. That's Swarovski crystals.
That is insane. Let me come in this direction, guys.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So check out the interior on this S63 Coupe. Now this is very, very exquisite leather. You have your flat bottom steering wheel, and this is all cashmere leather everywhere. The entire dashboard, all the seats, and down here as well. It's absolutely magnificent. So taking a look at the interior here, you have a ton of options on the left hand side. You have your steering wheel, traction, option to the right. You can see all this is actually leather wrapped, and this is very fine stitched leather. So from this angle here, so let's do a quick review of the tech on this car. So we have this beautiful panel, which is simply stunning on this S63 Coupe. So on this car, you have two touchpads for your controls. You have the left-hand side, which controls this screen on this side, and the right-hand side panel, which controls the screen on this other side.
7654.
So check out the back seats on this S63 Coupe. You have very magnificent leather in the back. You have this is your armrest, and you have two cup holders which stick out from here. So those are the cup holders. So let's pull those back in. So your cup holders. On the side there, you have your AMG seats. These are designer leather seats, exclusive Napa leather. So you have your trackpad here in the middle, which lets you control everything at the front for your driving style or driving mode. So you use this control knob here for your driving styles. This is your volume control on the right hand side, and it has this mouse pad here that lets you select your home option. So if you click on home here, so the display on the right hand side changes. You can see now I just pressed on home, now it's home, and the knob, it has a dial knob here that just lets you control the options on your instrument clusters and your heads up, the display here. So you have your vehicle, so you have your seats. Let's go into seats. You have your driver's seat, and this car has massage seats right there. If you go into massage, you have high intensity massage, hot relaxing back, hot relaxing shoulder, activating massage, classic massage. You have your mobilizing massage, active workout back. So it has a lot of massage options that you can see here. Let's go right back home and look at the vehicle options on this car. So again, this is a 2019 AMG S63 Coupe, and we're going to look at the interior options on this magnificent car. You have two big displays on either side of this car. On the left hand side and on the right hand side, these are 12.3-inch displays. The control pad on the right allows me to change the options on this display here, and I have one on the other side of the steering wheel. So let's go home. Let's go into your vehicle. You have your seats, climate control, energizing comfort, dynamic select, and you have your track package. If you want to race and things like that, you have your assistance. Consumption, you have light settings. This is where you find the ambient lighting on this 2019 AMG S63 Coupe. You have your ambient light. If you go into that, it lets you adjust your multicolor lights and your brightness and your effects. So you can even set up a welcome lighting package option here. Daytime running lights. These are actually crystal lights on this S63 Coupe, and it's one of the first cars with OLED rear tail lights. So the tail lights are actually OLED tail lights. So you have a whole different range of options for your lights. So if you go back, you have your vehicle settings, seatbelt adjustment, acoustic lock, auto dimming mirrors, mirror folding, automatic doors, easy assist, and all these other different options. So you have Mercedes Connect, you have your phone, media, you have your radio. Let's check out the navigation on this 2019 AMG S63 Coupe. You have neutral, you have 2D and 3D maps. You can save your mapping options or send to someone, and you have different options for your maps here. So let's check out 3D maps, and just like that it switches to 3D maps. Pretty much Google Maps here. I can zoom out to 1,000 miles above the earth. Let's zoom back in. So if you go back, so those are the options on this car. You have system here, which lets you adjust the display and designs. So you have different designs that you can choose from to adjust your display settings. So you have a sport design, you have your classic design. I'm going to change that. So that's classic design. You have progressive design for your displays on both your right hand display and the left as well. This progressive display, let me show you how it looks here. So that's your progressive display. So check out the classic display. That is classic. And then let's go to sport. And this was a default option when I picked up the car. So you have your sport display. If you go back, you can adjust the brightness on these panels. Day-night design. And those are the options. You have audio. So you have different navigation and traffic announcements, system feedback, phone. Those are your audio options. Connectivity, Bluetooth devices, command touch, time and date. Looks pretty good. You have your language options and units, either kilometers per hour or miles per hour, depending on your geographic location. You can also personalize this car. Software updates. You can apply pin protection and other functions here for system and reset. And then you have your operator's manual as well. And the other thing we haven't talked about are these vents. These are circular vents that you just adjust in that fashion, left or right, depending on where you want to direct your airflow. Everything else here is pretty standard with AMG or high-end Mercedes. You have your automatic system for climate control, hot, cold, fan, speed, and all your other options. Temperature, rear, climate controls, and auto on either side. So that's your start stop engine button. That's how it looks. So we haven't talked about the steering wheel, and this one is the flat bottom steering wheel. Looks like that.